So here's the solution to our global coffee crisis. I have a list here on my computer, so I'm gonna read it to you one by one. So, what can we do as a community? So, the first thing that we could do is climate resilient farming practices. So, there are several types of farming practices, and the first one is agroforestry systems. So, for those who don't know what's that, it's making a sustainable farming using a forestry system. So meaning they grow organically and with the help of some farm animals. They live side by side and they help the ecosystem all together. So in terms of coffee farmers, um, we are reintroducing these coffee trees into the farming system because coffee trees are known for forest trees. So they make their farms more resilient to climate change. So with this agroforestry system, we can increase, or farmers can increase their yields by 20 to 30% while protecting against extreme weather. So agroforestry also helps reduce water consumption, also reduce pests with the agroforestry because we have other trees that uh, give what they call this nutrition to the coffee trees and more. So yeah, that's the first one. The second one is drought resistant varieties. So we'll have climate resilient practices including developing drought resistant coffee varieties, implementing agroforestry systems, improving water conservation methods, and adopting advanced soil management techniques. So we will have new cultivars that could maintain 80 to 90% of the traditional yields under stress conditions. And then, of course, we will have productivity improvements also. So these are some of the action plan that we're going to do in order to solve the global coffee crisis. There are more, but I'm just giving you some of our primary actions to do that. Okay? So in the coming days, while we're building this community, we're going to do focus on these action plans.